Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a set of the day. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So coming to the question, what do we have is 5% Gautam, Kumar, Lalit, Naren, and Raj joined a company in 2019. Each of the 5% joined for a different monthly salary among 20,000, 30,000, 40, 60, and 80,000, not necessarily in the same order. However, each person joined at the beginning of a different month of the year and received his monthly salary each month, starting from the month in which he joined. Further, none of the 5% received any salary in 2019 before joining the company. The following information is known about the month in which they joined and monthly salary and total salary received by each person in 2019. So first, what do we need is a table. Okay, so table for month in which XYZ joined. Okay, the person that we have, that is all the people. Then we have the monthly salary and we have the annual salary. Okay, these are the four terms on which our question is based. And we have 5 people. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 people. So let us write it down. The names are Gautam, Kumar, Lalit, Naren, and Raj. Okay. Now let us read the information that has been given, that no two people joined in the same month and no one joined the company in the month of February, July, or October. Okay. Now Raj joined at least 4 months before Gautam did, and total salary that Raj received in 2019 was less than that received by Gautam. Naren, whose monthly salary is not 40,000, received a total salary of 4,80,000 in 2019, and both the monthly salary and total salary of Kumar in 2019 are greater than that of Gautam, and total salary that Kumar received in 2019 is less than that received by Lalit. Okay, so what do we have is that Naren's annual salary is given to us as 4,80,000. Okay, and his monthly salary could not have been 40,000. Okay, his monthly salary is not 40,000, and they couldn't be 30,000 or 20,000, because even if he worked for all 12 months, he could not have gained 4,80,000 with 20 or 30,000 per month. Okay, and he didn't have 40,000 as his salary. So the only two options for him are 60,000 and 80,000. Okay. Now, if you check for if you see that if he has, let's say, 80,000 as monthly salary, he needs to work for 6 months, right? He needs to work for 6 months, and for working for 6 months, he needs to join in July. But from point 1, we know that nobody joined in July. Okay, so that means he cannot have a monthly salary of 80,000. That means Naren will have a monthly salary of what? 60,000. Okay, and the month, for how many months does he have to work for? He has to work for 8 months. So that means he joined in which month? He joined in May, and 4,80,000 is the total salary that he drew. Okay, now moving ahead, see, Gautam salary, okay, Gautam salary cannot be 20,000. Okay, why can it cannot be 20,000? Because you know that Raj joined before him, okay, and drew a amount and what is him given, that total salary that Raj drew was less than Gautam. Okay, so he joined before Gautam and his total salary that he received was less than Gautam. Okay, the total salary he received was less than Gautam. So that cannot be 20,000. Okay, Gautam's salary cannot be 20,000. Similarly, his salary cannot be 60,000 and his salary cannot be 80,000, because we know that Kumar's monthly salary was greater than that of Gautam. So Gautam is out from 20,000 range, he's out from 60,000 range, and he's out from 80,000. Okay, so the only possibilities for Gautam are 30,000 and 40,000. Okay, now if you take that, if Raj's salary, okay, if Raj's salary was rupees 20,000 and Gautam's salary was rupees 30,000. Okay, so in that case, it is not possible for Gautam to have a greater annual salary than Raj. Okay, to have a greater annual salary than Raj, because at least Raj joined at least 4 months before. Okay, at least 4 months before. So the maximum salary, the in the minimum month that Gautam can join the company can be June. Okay, it can be June, because then at least 4 months before. So May, April, March, and Feb. So 4 months, and before 4 months, that comes January. So if Raj joins in, the earliest that Gautam could have joined is June. But if Gautam joins in June with a salary of 30,000, the total salary that he is going to get is equal to what? For 7 months, he is going to get the salary for 30,000, that is 2,10,000. Okay, that is 2,10,000. Whereas if you talk about Raj, Raj can will obtain a salary of or at 20,000 if he works, or a salary of 2,40,000. That is more than Gautam's. But we know that Raj received a salary less than Gautam. Okay, and even after that, if Gautam joins, okay, if after that Gautam joins, his salary will keep on reducing. His salary will always keep on reducing, total salary. So Gautam cannot join at 30,000. So that means it is definite that Gautam is the person who joined at 40,000. And we also know that Kumar drew salary more than Gautam. Okay, now Kumar has the option of 60,000 or 80,000. He cannot draw 60,000. Okay, he cannot draw 60,000. So he will draw what? 80,000. Okay. Acha, coming back to Gautam. If we come back to Gautam, now we know that his annual salary must be 40,000. Okay. And if you take Gautam's salary as 40,000, okay, Raj's salary cannot be 30,000. Raj can never have a salary of 30,000. Why? Because if Raj has a salary of 30,000, then Gautam's annual salary can never be greater than that of Raj. Okay. Hence, it is certain that Raj's monthly salary is going to be equal to 20,000, and that means Lalit is going to take the annual monthly salary of 30,000. Now, why if Raj had 30,000, Gautam had 40,000? Because for that, what will have to happen is, see, if Raj has 30,000 as his salary, okay, Raj has 30,000 as his salary, okay. Now, if Gautam joins in June, Raj joins in January with 30,000, Raj will get what? 30,000 into 12, that is 3,60,000. Whereas Gautam will be getting what? For 7 months, he'll be getting the money. Okay. For 7 months, he will be getting the money. That is 7 into 4, that is 2,80,000. Okay. So it is not possible in any of the cases for Gautam. Okay. That means Raj cannot have a salary of 30,000. Raj will definitely have a salary of 20,000, which makes us give Lalit 30,000 per month. Okay. Now this much is done. Okay. Acha. Now talking about Raj could have joined in any of the months between January and August. Okay. Raj could have joined anywhere between that. Okay. Chalo. If Raj joined in August, okay. Acha, sorry. Earliest Gautam can join is May. Okay. Earliest Gautam can join is May. Okay. But if with May also, if you see that if 30,000 with Gautam, 20,000 with Raj, 30,000 Gautam would have given me to him 2,40,000, while Raj have got 2,40,000. That is equal. Gautam still cannot get more. So 30,000 for Gautam is cancelled out. And taking 40,000 for Gautam with from May, it is 8 months, 3,20,000. And Raj taking 30,000 is again impossible because Raj will have what? 3,60,000. So more than Gautam. So this is again the only possible case for Gautam is 40,000 and Raj be 20,000. That is the only possible case that we have. Now moving ahead, Raj has the possibility of joining in between January and August, anywhere between January and August. Okay. If Raj joined in August, okay, his salary cannot be less than that of Gautam. Why? Because if Raj joined in August, he had how many months? He has how many months? He still has 5 months left. Okay, so he'll draw a salary of 1 lakh. Okay. Whereas Gautam can only then join in December. Gautam can only then join in December. That means he can draw a annual salary of 40,000, which is equal to his monthly salary. So that case is not possible. Now going back, Raj joining in August is not possible. Going back to July, that is also not possible because there is a condition given, nobody joined in July. So Raj going back to June. If Raj goes back to June, he will be working for 7 months, right? He will be working for 7 months and he will draw a salary of 1,40,000. Okay, he will draw a salary of 1,40,000. Okay. While Gautam's salary at most can be 80,000. Why? Because the minimum he could have joined is in October, but October is not possible for anybody. So he will have to join at max by November, and that means only 2 months he can draw the salary. That is 80,000. So Raj joining in June is also not a possibility. Okay, so let's say Raj joined in May. Okay, let us say that Raj joined in May. That is also not possible because we know Naren joined in May. Okay, so Raj will have to come back to April. Now, if Raj comes to April, he will be working for 9 months and he will draw a salary of 1,80,000. Okay, Raj will draw a salary of 1,80,000. Okay, in this case, the earliest that Gautam can join in is August, and in that case, his salary would be 2 lakhs. In that case, his salary would be 2 lakhs. This is Raj in Raj was in April, and this is Gautam in August. Okay, this is one possible case that we have for Raj and Gautam. This is one possible case. Okay, now come back. If Raj joined in March, okay, Raj joined in March, then the earliest that Gautam can join is still going to be August. Okay, the earliest that Gautam can join still be August, because July he cannot join because nobody joined in July. So in that case, if Raj joins in March, he will be drawing a salary of for 10 months. That is, his salary would be 2 lakh. So it will be equal. So Raj joining in March is also not possible. Now coming to February, Raj joining in February is also not possible because of the condition given. Okay, so come back to January. If Raj joins in January, okay, if Raj joins in January, he will be drawing salary for 12 months. That will be 2,40,000. Okay, and in that case, the earliest that Gautam could have joined will be June. The earliest that Gautam could have joined will be June, and in that case, his total salary would be for 7 months. That is 2,80,000. Okay, so this is another possible case. So there are two possible cases for having Raj and Gautam. That is, in one case, Raj will join in April and Gautam will join in August. And second case, Raj will be joining in January and Gautam will be joining in June. Okay, so these are the two possible cases that we have for Raj and Gautam. Chalo. Let us move ahead. Let us move ahead to another bit to Kumar. Let's come to Kumar. Okay. Now Kumar's salary, monthly salary is 80,000. That we know. Okay, Kumar's monthly salary is 80,000. That is something that we know. It is also known that he drew a greater monthly and great total salary are greater than Gautam. Okay, and they are less than that received by Lalit. Okay. Okay, it is less than that received by Lalit. Okay, no problem. Okay. So in first case, see what he has to do is, okay. Now Kumar should have a, if you talk about this case, this is, let's take this to be case 1, this to be case 2. Okay. So in this case, if you talk about case 1, Kumar has to draw a salary greater than that of 2 lakh. Okay, he has to draw a salary that has to be greater than that of 2 lakh. Okay. And talking about Lalit, Lalit's maximum salary, that is, if he joins in January, his maximum salary could be 3,60,000 because his monthly income is 30,000. So that means Kumar can in no case cross 3,60,000. Kumar in no case can cross 3,60,000. That means at max, Kumar can work for 4 months. That is, at max, Kumar can work for what? 4 months. Okay. Kumar can at max work for 4 months in any of the cases. Okay, because Lalit's maximum cap is 3,60,000. So Kumar can get a maximum of 3,20,000, because if he works for 5 months, it will be going again into to 4 lakh, and that is something that is not possible. So the earliest that Kumar can join is going to be September. Okay, so talking about the first case that we have, because Gautam joined in August. Okay, Gautam has joined in August. Okay, he drew a salary of 2 lakh rupees. Okay, he drew a salary of 2 lakh rupees. Okay, now for Kumar, if Kumar joins in December, he cannot cross Gautam. Okay, if Kumar joins in November, he cannot cross Gautam. If Kumar joins in October, that is not possible. So definitely in case 1, while we are talking about, Kumar will have to join. In any of the cases, Kumar will have to join in September. Okay. And in that case, if he joins in September, his total salary would be 3,20,000. That means Lalit will have to join in January and get a salary of 3,60,000, because Lalit cannot join in February because nobody can. Okay, so in case 1, if you go with case 1, we know in which month Kumar joined, in which month Lalit will join. That is something that is certain, and RNG will also be clear. So first case is almost sorted. Okay. Coming to case number 2, where Gautam earned 2,80,000. Coming to this case, the second case, in which Gautam's salary is 2,80,000. Okay. Now in this case, Lalit's salary, Lalit can join at max by March. He cannot join in January, because in case 2, Raj is joining in January. February, nobody can join. So Lalit can come in which month? Lalit can come in the month of March only. So if he comes in the month of March, the maximum earning potential for him is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so if talk about case 2, Lalit can at max earn 3 lakh rupees. Okay, that is the maximum Lalit can earn. Okay, now that means Gautam can earn a maximum of 2 lakh 40,000. Why? Sorry, this K guy. Kumar guy can earn only 2 lakh 40,000 or 1 lakh 60,000. In both the cases, he is not going to earn more than Gautam. That means case number 2 is not possible because in no matter what, Kumar cannot earn more than Gautam while we are into case 2. That means case 1 is the final one, and in that case, Raj would be joining in April, okay, and drawing a total salary of 1 lakh 80,000. Whereas Gautam would be joining in August, drawing a total salary of 2 lakh rupees. And Kumar would be joining in September, drawing a salary of 3 lakh 20,000. And Lalit would be the one joining in January, drawing a total salary of 3 lakh 60,000. Okay, so now with this, the case is solved. Coming to questions. What is the total salary received by Kumar in 2019? That is going to be 3 lakh 20,000. 3 lakh 20,000. How many percent joined the company before the end of June? So Lalit joined, this guy, Naren joined. Okay, and also Raj joined. So there are 3 people who joined before end of June. So our correct answer is 3. And which one did Gautam join the company? He joined the company in August. That is option number. So with this, the set is complete and hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.